Hey, I'm Marty from Spring Ahead Media Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to create an automated welcome email in Mailchimp using their classic automation tool. This is an automation where when someone signs up for your email list, they will get an email introducing them to your company or giving them a freebie or a promotion or however you set it up. The classic automation tool, I believe, is best if you're just sending out one automated email. If you're interested in doing a series of emails, you would want to use Mailchimp's Journeys function. Classic automation is also available in the free package, whereas Journeys, you would need to pay for a Mailchimp package. At least that's how it is when I'm making this recording in the beginning of 2022. Packages change all the time. So let's get to it. All right, so as it stands now, there are two places to find the classic automation builder. If you already have some automation set up, you would go to the automations tab here, and it's right up here in the right-hand corner. If you have not yet set up any automations, you're going to go to campaigns, and you're going to scroll down to automations, and then create an automation. Today, we're going to be creating a welcome email that will go to anyone who signs up for our email list. So I'm going to name it welcome email. Pick my audience. You should just have one audience. Let's go through our settings here. Now I want my welcome email to go out immediately after someone signs up. Also, you can decide if you want it to trigger when you import subscribers. So if you are importing like a CSV file with customers or with contact information, do you want them to immediately get a welcome email? I want a little more control over the situation, so I'm not going to choose that here. Who it's coming from. I set up my subject lines, and now I'm going to design my email. If you're new to building emails in Mailchimp, check out my video on how to create an email template. I would just start with this basic one column one right here, but I've already created a template for my brand, so I'm going to go to saved templates. So I'm going to jump into this template and do a little design work for my welcome email. Some things to include in your welcome email. Now remember, they decided to sign up for your email list, so they're already interested. Tell them a little bit more about you. Tell them about the company. Tell them about yourself as a business owner. Tell them about the products that you offer. Give them some testimonials from customers who've worked with you. And of course, include any offers that you made in the sign up form. So any discount codes, or if you offered them a PDF or something. All right, so this is for folks who signed up for my email list. I'm giving away a free PDF that includes all of the links that I think that you need for email marketing. And you can actually sign up for this in the box below. You'll get this exact email. And the way to link a download is you're going to go to File, and you're going to upload whatever file you're attaching into your Content Studio here, and then you can just link it just like that. Once everything's ready to go, check your previews, make sure that it looks good in mobile, and then you can go and start it. Now, the difference between an automation and a regular campaign is an automation is an email that sends when it is triggered. So the trigger on this one is that someone gets added to your email list. I'm going to start the sending. So now that that's going, if there was a point where you wanted to make some changes to it or you wanted to stop it from sending, it now resides in your automations tab here, My Journeys. Right now, this automated email is active. If you wanted to make changes to it, you would edit it here. You would have to pause the email in order to make those changes. And then once they're all set, you would restart. Well, I hope that that answered all of your questions. Nothing is better than automations, and a welcome series or a welcome email is a great place to start. If you want to learn more about automations, check out one of my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list. Oh, and the channel, of course, and I'll see you around.